Hey guys, so part 2 of the bake with me, actually, over there. So they came out of the oven, very nicely warm, but not too warm. I can still touch the pan. So that's the marble. It doesn't look too marbly to me. So that's number 1, and then that's number 2.
Oh, is it?
So it is time that we get a big plate and put them on the plate. Very excited. Now I'll do little shorts of the thing. Okay, yeah, the cake will fit on the plate, which is good. I just have to make room so I can do it in front of the camera.
Right? Now it's gonna be by yourself for half an hour or so.
Yeah. Okay, so we have 1 plate. Now what we're gonna do is at this stage take our knife. We're just gonna I'm so excited. I've only ever baked a cake once before, by myself, and then by myself, like with only a little bit of help with the oven. And then somebody, named my mother, tried to take it out and rip the bottom of it.
Whoops.
I'm still kind of mad at you for that.
Try
Because
to make it up to you.
that was my first cake, and it just gone.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna try to do it. Don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. I'm trying to get that to go. I don't know if it's gonna work. Knife is needed. That didn't work. Yeah, that didn't work. I almost took out half the cake. We're gonna try a different tactic. Very different. How am I supposed to do this? Can I just take like the spoons? I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I have to figure out a plan first. Okay, so I have a plan. It didn't work. I ripped at the bottom of the cake again. I am real good at baking. And that ain't gonna be flipped. Gonna need another plate. I think I did pretty good. Good enough. I think I did good enough. And the problem is that we got that chunk missing, which it's life. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna make it look. Hopefully nothing happened. Well, many things happened, Tyler. Hey, it don't look too bad. You can't really see that conundrum that happened there. On the camera, at least. It's kind of obvious in person. Okay. Let's have bottom bit. Should probably be delicious. That's my snack. Pretty good. Yeah, do that again. Take it. Hopefully when this is done, I'll come back. I have an idea. Spatula. If I go down and under, because there's this little crack right here that I have air, I have to be really careful. Perfect. This is gonna go much smoother, I hope. But knock on wood. Okay, I got this. Kinda got this. I got this. Got this. Don't look too bad. It don't look too bad. I like it. I have to stand back here. Hello, cat. I like it. Now it's time for the decorations. I'm gonna go get them. Got them. I don't really know how I'm supposed to decorate this because there's no icing on it because I don't have icing. Could always use some of these. I'm gonna use some gold. Beautiful, beautiful color. Oh, that was brain surge. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius, but I don't have anywhere to put these. Beautiful this one. Okay. Breaking the place. Okay, I have an idea. If I left it this layer and just tuck like some of the, you know? Right, I'm not speaking English right now. I'm really happy. I have a few left. You need to be lift and lift. Tuck those into there. Perfect. Okay. Gold is always needed. Perfect. I'm really happy here. I'm going to take the camera off the stand. Okay. I will do some more short videos, but bye.